What do you think of the system?
I love it.
Love it?
Really easy to use. Just follow the simple instructions. If you push the wrong thing, like if I don't wait for the timer to go out, it'll let me know.
And were you nervous at the start at all?
Yeah.
A little nerve-wracking first day. Yeah, totally. That's why we come out and give you a hand, right? The whole deployment and stuff.
But yeah, the more practice I do it, the faster I'm setting them up. And as soon as it's set up, it's cake work. But like if I mess up, I can easily correct it, shut it down, instead of having to get on the radio and tell, hey, to your side, that's not that car, it's not that car. I have all the control right here.
Totally.
But this thing, it gets rid of all that problem.